We've all cooked Texas style brisket with that beautiful bark, but what if we did it completely different, Thai style, with some soy sauce, fish sauce, brown sugar, kaffir lime, garlic, smoked chili, and lime juice. So you just mix it up, and if you've got some lemongrass, I do, out of the garden, we need to smash it up, we need to crush it, right? Just get that in with our marinade. I won't bore you without a trim brisket because you probably already can, or there are plenty of videos online. Cut it into manageable size pieces that will fit into your bag. Get it into the marinade, then get the marinade and your brisket into the bag with all the bits. Into the sous vide bath at 67 degrees C or 152 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. The brisket's been in overnight in the sous vide, so it's had 12 hours, and I've upped the temperature to 68 degrees Celsius, 1 extra degree. Now, it's not going to have a bark. For all you I love Texas BBQ Brisket people, this is not that at all, but it's spectacular and delicious. So I'm going to make a glaze to put over the top using black garlic puree. So we're going to get a couple of tablespoons, really good quality soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons in there. Some fish sauce, just 1 tablespoon. A little bit of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon. Some chili and some lime juice, just over a teaspoon. Nam top brisket. Look, it's got the colour of a bark, hasn't it? Just need to bring it up to the boil, and then it goes in there. And that'll go on the brisket later. Okay, now our dressing for the salad. Fish sauce, lime juice. This is a nam top dressing. Brown sugar or palm sugar. A little bit of chili, more if you like it spicy. Some chopped spring onions. And a couple of garlic cloves. And we'll blend that up to silky smooth. Tastes absolutely delicious. Great with any salad. Okay, we're going to make the nam jim sauce. About a cup of the coriander is going to go in there with the stalks and everything. Some mint, fresh mint leaves, a good handful. Lime juice, chili, garlic, a little bit of fish sauce, brown sugar, chopped spring onion, and zest. Now we might have to add just a little bit of water in here to get a nice sauce consistency. Now I'm going to use this on some flatbreads that we're going to wrap the brisket up with the salad, the lettuce leaves. Trust me, this is worth the effort. You just throw it in a blender, right? Pretty easy. Now let's get the salad ingredients going. So we've got some fresh mint leaves, coriander, Thai basil, red onion, cucumber, radishes, and mango. Now in traditional Thai form, we need something crunchy that's going to go over the top. So I'm going to toast this rice. My cheap rice tosser. Keep going until you get a golden brown colour, and then into a mortar and pestle, and we're going to grind it up in a circular motion until we get a sandy texture. Don't skip this because it'll make one hell of a difference to your salad. I'm making some flatbreads out of some pizza dough. You can just go and buy some flatbreads if you like, but I got the pizza dough, thawed it out, let it rise up, just rolling it out really thin. I preheated the oven to 250 degrees Celsius or 482 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to cook them on a pizza stone. Spread the sauce over the top. These are going to be so delicious when we get our salad, lettuce, and our brisket in here and wrap them up and get our laughing gear around them. It's now 8 o'clock at night. It's been 24 hours. So I'm going to get the lettuce ready because no Thai brisket is going to be good unless we've got lots of lettuce that we can just use as lettuce cups. So I'll put that on there, real cash, and I've got some iceberg. I love iceberg lettuce because it's got more flavour than all that curly rubbish that they have out there. No flavour, right? Some iceberg as well. And this is just, I've got the flatbreads that I've made earlier. They're just warming up. The brisket has been in the sous vide for 24 hours. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to get the glaze on. Let it sit. See if I can make it look a little bit like the bark on a Texas barbecue. And all you Texas barbecue things, people that just go, it's not the real deal, well, go to the other video, right? Because I'm not doing that. I'm doing a Thai style brisket. It's going to be wicked. Well, we're going to find out because I've got some guests here. In fact, I've got the guys from Kiwi Blade Knives. Look at this. Look at this nice. This is my dad's flying wings in here that will be handed on to my daughter one day. Right, it's time to mix the salad with the dressing. So the dressing needs just a little mix up. And we'll mix that in there. Keep it a little on the side because somebody might want a little extra over the brisket. Give it a mix. So look at this. It's going to be absolutely Thai goodness. Oh, it smells so good. Rightio. I'm going to transfer this because it looks a bit messy around the outside. I've got very flash friends here tonight, so I'm going to try and show off. So in it goes in there. And this is going to go on top of our brisket as we build our wraps. Look good? Right, let's get the brisket out of the sous vide. So that big piece of brisket has come into lots of pieces. You can see all the juice in there. Now what I want to do is I want to save a bit of this juice. It's quite hot on my fingers because it's come out at 68 degrees. Slide it out there. This is the point end. Right, I'm going to just dry it off a little bit. So a few paper towels. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get our glaze on. So we don't have a bark, but we can give it that lovely flavour with this. All those Texas barbecue guys are going to be going, oh man, look how good that looks considering it hasn't even been on a smoker. But we've got the flavour of those smoked chilies in there. Moment of truth, let's have a go. That looks pretty good. Willie, come and have a try.
I'm on my way.
Let's have a look. Well, it's definitely moist, and it's definitely got that lovely pull apart, hasn't it? Look at that. Probably could pull apart a little bit easier than that. The Texas barbecue guys will be going, no good. But let's try it, see if we can.
Stop the clock.
Bang on with flavour.
Stop the clock. That is beautiful. That's fantastic. I tell you what, this doesn't stand back for any Texas barbecue. What I just had was phenomenal.
Lovely and moist, and that fat cap has sort of turned into gelatine, hasn't it? On top.
So
I kind of wish there was a bit more of that fat on there now. What I'm going to do here is sprinkle a little bit of our toasted rice over the top to give that a little bit of a crunch. Let's grab one of these. Let's put it down. Let's do our VIP beautiful slice on there. Probably need a couple. What do you reckon?
I think a couple will be fantastic. You know, I am South African by birth.
Actually, what we need to do is actually get some lettuce under there.
Oh, that looks amazing already.
A little bit of that iceberg lettuce there. And then what we're going to do is put our salad on top like that. Some of our spicy Thai green salsa over the top. And then we wrap it up like a Thai style wrap, and you get in here and get your laughing gear into that.
I am looking forward to this.
Just-
my word. My word. This is a flavour explosion.
I don't think it would have wanted to go any longer.
No.
It's definitely tender. Still moist. Is it good?
Top notch. I don't think I want to talk. I just want to eat now.
Let's carry on.
This is just amazing.
And if you want to see where to get one of these beautiful knives, absolute the best from New Zealand, then in the description you can find a link to Kiwi Blade knives, and Willie will make you the best knife for you. That will be yours, something personal like that, which is personal to me. You should have a knife that you hand on to your kids. That glaze on it is really good. This goes on, salad over the top. Roll it up. Now that's what I call a Thai brisket wrap. I recommend giving it a go. It's completely different to your Texas BBQ brisket, but it is absolutely delicious. Take care, everybody. We're going to eat some dinner.